Hi friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. Myself, Chetan Bharat Gauri. I am from Nasik and I am MBA bias student from HPT Arts and RYK Science College. So, I would like to share about very interesting and important topic that is Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 and their features and functions. So, firstly, let us see the introduction. Evolution of the World Wide Web. First point is Web 1.0. Read-only era. Users could only read and learn from static websites. Limited interaction. Primarily a consumption model. So, in this point, it is stated that in this early phase of the internet, websites were primarily static and provided limited content. Users could read information but had no means to interact with or contribute to the content, resulting in a one-way communication model. And next is 2. Web 2.0, read and write era. Users empowered to create, share, and collaborate, introduce interactive features, transforming content creation. So, in this point, it is stated that this era marked a significant shift, allowing users only to consume content but also to create and share it. Platforms like social media, blogs, and wikis emerge, enabling collaborative content creation and user interaction, which foster community engagement. And next is emergence of new concepts. Development of Travel 2.0, Business 2.0, and Library 2.0 adapts Web 2.0 principles to specific sectors. Here are as a Web 2.0 principles spread specialized concepts like travel 2.0 and business 2.0 developed. These adaptations tailor the interactive and collaborative aspects of the web to specific industries, enhancing user experiences and service delivery within those sectors. And next point is Library 2.0. Selective application of Web 2.0 tools in libraries. Focus on enhancing users' engagement and services. In this point, it is stated that libraries began to adopt Web 2.0 tools to engage users more effectively. This included integrating social media, interactive catalogs, and user-generated content, all aimed at enhancing library services and creating a more participatory environment for patrons. Mm. And last is impact on libraries. Leverage Web 2.0 technologies for knowledge sharing, shift towards user collaboration and active participation, redefines the relationship between libraries and users. Uh, so it is point is state that the integration of Web 2.0 technologies transform libraries into community hubs for knowledge sharing and collaboration. This shift allows for greater user participation, redefining the relationship between librarians and users, making it more interactive and user-centered. Libraries, libraries become spaces where users could contribute, engage, and collaborate rather than just consume information. Next is definition. Web 2.0 is the tag attached to new services such as social networking wikis, instant messaging, and social tagging, offered by the second generation World Wide Web to facilitate online collaboration and sharing among users. Web 2.0 is also known as people-centric web or network as platform or social web. And here are some points. User generated content. Users create and share content, not just consume it passively. It means users actively create and share content rather than just consuming it passively. This has led to the rise of platforms like blogs, social media, and wikis. And next is easy of use. Websites are designed to be user friendly and accessible to a wide audience. Means websites are designed to be intuitive and user friendly, making it easy for a diverse audience to navigate and engage with content. This accessibility encourages broader participation. And third is interoperability. Websites can work together and exchange data seamlessly. It means different websites and services can work together and share data seamlessly. This allows for enhanced user experiences as various platforms integrate functionalities, enabling users to connect and collaborate more easily. So now we see the advantages. Collaboration Web 2.0 has open up new possibilities for collaborative network in web-based environment. It means enables users to work together easily in network environments, enhancing teamwork. Second is flexibility. Web 2.0 environments are always open for changes, updates, and remixing and reuse. This point to show that supports continuous updates and content remixing, allowing for quick adaptations to user needs. Third point is architecture of participation. Web 2.0 is structured around open programming interfaces that allow widespread and greater levels of participation where users act simultaneously as readers and writers. In this point, it is stated that um, promotes user involvement through open interfaces, enabling users to be both creators and consumers of content. And third is interactively. Web 2.0 also encourages significantly more interaction between users, which is vital in e-learning. Web 2.0 encourages a more human approach to interactively on the web, supports group interaction, and fosters a greater sense of community in a potentially social environment. It means encourages more user interaction, vital for e-learning, and fosters community by supporting group engagement. So now we see the features. First is bulk autonomy, pre-classification of information. Web 2.0 allows user to create pre-classification arrangement of information over web, for example, social tagging. Second is rich user experience. Web 2.0 users Ajax asynchronous JavaScript plus XML to present dynamic uh, GUI with rich user experience to users, for example, Google Maps. Third is user as a contributor. In Web 2.0, user also contributes to the content by means of evaluation, review, and commenting. Fourth is long tail. Web 2.0 services are long known. Five is user participation. In Web 2.0, users participate in content sourcing. This is also known as crowdsourcing. For example, Wikipedia and YouTube. Six is basic trust. In earlier web, the contents are protected under intellectual property rights, while in Web 2.0, the contents are made available to share, reuse, redistribute, and edit. For example, Wikipedia and Creative Commons. And seven is dispersion. Web 2.0 uses multiple channels that include file sharing and pyramid, paramelinks to deliver content. The typical examples are BitTorrent and Mashup. Next is Web 2.0 applications in library. So here are we see the how it is used in the library. Librarian can not only deliver user-centric services but also creates collaborative and participative environment by using Web 2.0 technologies that would lead to creation of new resources and build up existing ones using collective intelligence of users. The application of concepts and technologies of Web 2.0 applied to the library services and collection is named as Library 2.0. New generation of library services and activities can be designed or built with active participation and feedback from user community in Library 2.0 environment to fulfill the needs and expectations of today's library users. The term Library 2.0 was coined by Michael Casey in 2006 on this blog Library Crunch refers to a number of social and technological changes that are having increasing impact upon libraries, its staff and their clientele and how they could interact. Now we see the how 2.0 turn into 3.0. Uh, Web 3.0 and Semantic Web. The semantic web, also known as Web 3.0, is to simplify human-computer interfaces, which attach machine-readable metadata to web content to enable computers to understand the actual intended meanings of this content as they process it. It provides a common framework that allows data to be shared and used across application, enterprises, and community boundaries. The semantic web is a vision of information that can be readily interpreted by machines, so that machines can perform more of the tedious work involved in finding, combining, and acting upon information on the web. And then Web 3.0 systematic overview. Definition. Web 3.0, also known as the semantic web, is a proposed evolution of the internet that aims to be more machine readable and understandable. And it's built upon the foundation of Web 2.0 by adding a layer of meaning to online content, enabling machines to interpret and process information beyond just a surface level. Third is Tim Berners-Lee has described the semantic web as a component of 3.0. Semantic web utilize standards like RDF, OWL, and Sparkle to encode information and a relationship between things. Machine learning and AI aims to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence to understand the contents and meaning of information. A decentralization. Explore the concept like blockchain technology to create a more decentralized and a distributed web with less reliance on centralized authorities. Here are we also saw the features, and the next is here are we see the standard and technology. W3C World Wide Web Consortium plays a key role in developing and standardizing technologies for the semantic web. Semantic web stack comprise various technologies like RDF, OWL, Sparkle, and others, enabling machine-readable and interconnected data. Next point is current state and feature. Many aspects of Web 3.0 are still under development and ongoing research. The concepts hold great potential for various applications including. Next is improved search engine capabilities. Enhance user experience with personalized recommendations. Next is more intelligent and interconnected web application. And last point is increased automation and collaboration across different systems and platforms. Uh, so here are we see the how to impact on libraries. While the full impact of Web 3.0 on libraries remains to be seen, it has the potential to improve the information organization and retrieval. Semantic web technologies could enable better organization and access to library resources. Personalized user experience. Libraries could provide more tailored recommendation and services based on user preference and needs. Next is facilitate data sharing and collaboration. Enable libraries to share information and resources more effectively with other institutions. And next is overall Web 3.0 represents a potential leap forwards in terms of how information is represented, understood, and utilized on the internet. Libraries can play a crucial role in contributing to the development and adoption of these technologies, leading to a more intelligent and connected information ecosystem. And the last point is comparison of Web 2.0 features and Web 3.0. Web 2.0 in the document web and Web 3.0 in the metadata web. Abundance of information, control of information. Controversial, even more controversial. The social web, the intelligent web. Static, highly mobile three-dimensional. The second decade 2000 to 2012. The third decade 2010 to 2020. Google has catalyzed. Semantic web companies has catalyzed. Wisdom of the crowds, wisdom of the expert. Mashups, fragmentation, integration, creating new tools. Search, search, search. Why search? When you can find. Google's PageRank algorithm, ontology semantic system. Lawlessness, anarchic, rule standards, protocols, orders.